Should the common man suffer if the government has not been able to implement ABC rules properly? The Supreme Court asked today while hearing the stray dogs issue in the country. As lawyers representing dog lovers informed the top court that the only scientific way to deal with the rising population of dogs in the country is implementation of ABC rules, the Supreme Court expressed its dilemma. Justice Sandeep Mehta said Supreme Court had directed implementation of ABC rules back in 2018. What has changed so far? He asked. This remark came from the top court after senior advocate Anand Grover told the court that earlier order by the court which had directed removal of dogs from public spaces needed a revisit. He told the court that educational institutions like IIT, Ashoka University, Delhi University are doing an excellent job in managing dogs on their campus. He argued that a blanket non-release is not scientific. The logic, he said here, is that once batch of dogs are removed from public space, then another more unstable batch of dogs takes their place. Petitioners claim that this order has caused rise in dog bites at some places as displacement disturbs dogs who are naturally territorial. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who also appeared for the dog lovers, pointed out that stray population in Uttar Pradesh has been successfully brought down to almost zero because state properly implemented capture, sterilize, vaccinate, release model mandated by the ABC rules. Now he said that if ABC rules are implemented properly by state authorities, the dog population will come down within 10 years in the country. However, the top court seemed unconvinced with Sibal's argument and in fact went on to remark that one can't read a dog's mind when he is in a mood to bite or when he is feeling friendly. Saying that prevention is always better than cure, Justice Vikram Nath remarked that public spaces and roads have to be clear and cleaned of dogs. He pointed out that when they don't bite, they might cause road accidents. Why do we need dogs on highways, schools, educational areas? He asked. However, senior advocate Kapil Sibal also proposed that the correct way to deal with unruly dogs is to call for help, get them sterilized and re-release them back in the area. The Supreme Court Judge Justice Vikram Nath went on to remark that then probably the only thing remaining for the state to do would be providing counseling to that dog so that when he is re-released back, he does not bite. While Sibal hoped that this remark was made in lighter vein by the top court, the dog lovers are now asking that if the common man should not suffer from lack of implementation of ABC rules by the government, then why should the dogs? What do you think about the latest development on this issue? Do tell us in the comments below.